Chris Voelker here, K-12 Program Director for Quality Matters. Today, I'm going to answer a question that we get at QM a lot. How do you choose an online course to buy for your school or district? You figured out what online courses your program needs, but you know your organization doesn't have the capacity to build them yourself. So what do you do when you find yourself in the market for online courses? It can sure be overwhelming. With so many choices, how do you choose? First, find a good evaluation tool. The National Standards for Quality Online Courses and the QM K-12 rubric provide excellent benchmarks for quality. You might choose to do this yourself, but you can also determine if you want to have an outside evaluator conduct a course review. For example, QM assembles teams of certified K-12 reviewers to assess the quality of a course's design and provides a detailed final report. It's a comprehensive review that, among other things, checks to ensure that the course is aligned with every state standard provided to the review team. You can also take a look at QM's website to search for courses that have already been reviewed and earn the QM certification mark. If you see a course in a discipline or grade level in which you would like to learn more, just reach out to the vendor. When you reach out, ask them to give you a copy of their final report from their QM review. This will allow you to see the review team's findings and recommendations so that you can determine if the course might be a good fit for your school or district's needs. You can also ask them for a tour of the course or to provide you with a demo. Consider having teachers participate in the evaluation process to encourage buy-in and ownership. You shouldn't have to do this alone. QM and the online learning community can help. You can find these resources and more at www.qualitymatters.org. Reach out to us with questions and check out this month's timely tips for more information.